You ask me, how do I have so many books? So here's the answer. Hello everyone, what's up? This is Anjali and Flipkart Big Billion Days are back. So get ready for the huge unboxing video. And the answer to the question is that I buy books from sale. Why? Because number one is it is reasonable, and second, buying so many books together has a different feeling. Last year I waited for 10 months and then I bought so many books from Flipkart sale, like this sale again. And this year, due to lockdown, I had to wait to buy in the sale. So yes, this is what I do. And I used to buy in the local sales as well, like Kitab Lovers sale, Book Chore sale. So, and that is how I have so many books. Today I'm gonna tell you which books you should look out for, which books I'm gonna look out for personally, like which books I wish to buy, and what are the things that you need to check so that you don't get stuck with a pirated copy. So before we move on to that, there is one thing that don't buy impulsively. I've said this thing before that if you have so many books and you're not reading them, it's not okay. Yeah, you can be a book hoarder, but what is the purpose of buying if you're not going to read them? So do not do impulsive buying in this sale, because the price is really low and the books are really good. Just control yourself and don't buy impulsively. There's this question that why you should buy in this sale and why not other sales. Because last year I bought so many books and not a single book cost me more than 100 rupees. These books, this hardcover, Get Better at Getting Better, this book is off 299. I got this book for 80 rupees. I really got this book for 80 rupees. And then this book, Being Reshma, the price of this book is 599. I got this book for 80 rupees. Like 80 to 90, not more than 100. So these are hardcover, these are original copies, and they are best selling books, they are good books. So the question should be why not? But again, I'm repeating, do not do impulsive buying. It's not healthy at all. So now let me just tell you the books that you must look out for and they are best selling, they are beginner friendly. So yes, let's just see. The first book is like it's a set, which is Shiva trilogy, The Immortals of Meluha, The Secret of Nagas, and The Oath of Vayuputras by Amish Tripathi. This is one of the best series. I really love this series. This is the only fictional series that I love so much. And this is beginner friendly. This is best selling. Undoubtedly look out for this one. Next is box set of Dale Carnegie. If you can get the box set of Dale Carnegie books, then awesome. If not, then look out for individual books. How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. So many books are there. Then third book is Awaken the Giant Within. I have mentioned this book in my last video as well. This book is a gem. This book is the guide for your emotional, financial, social, mental, physical health. Really. Then the books on habits. There are two great best-selling books on habit. Well, there are so many books, but these two are the books that you should look out for: Atomic Habits and Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. Well, there is one more book that is on habit, that is The Miracle Morning. That book is really beginner friendly. You can check that out. Then my most favorite book, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. What I should say about this book? This book is a blend of fiction and non-fiction, and it has a bit of philosophy and a very beautiful story of finding our destination and enjoying the process. Then Mark Manson's book. If you get the set, awesome. If not, look out for individual books. There are only two books: Everything is Fucked and The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. I would recommend Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck above Everything is Fucked. Everything is Fucked is really nice, the content is really good, but it is a bit more philosophical. So if you have read The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, you will like Everything is Fucked. Then set of Robin Sharma's any book, any set will do. I have rarely had any negative review for Robin Sharma's book. I have read two books, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari and The 5 AM Club, and they both are mind blowing. totally worth it. Then Autobiography of a Yogi, undoubtedly I love that book. That book is a must read. That book is best if you want to start your spiritual journey, if you want to, explore the world of spirituality, and if you're a spiritual seeker, then you have to read that book. Well, the language of that book is not so much beginner friendly, but you can give it a try. And that is also like one of the most recommended and one of the best selling books. Then The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, best book on psychology, best selling book, beginner friendly, you can read it. And there are so many autobiographies that you should look out for. I really like to read autobiographies more than biographies. So the list is like this: I Am Malala. That book is really inspiring. Then My Journey is by late Sir Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. That book is really beautiful, the way he has expressed his journey and the small incidents that he has kept in his mind. Then Steve Jobs, that is, like, I don't think I have to say something about that book. That is already a mind blowing book. Then yes, then Brief Answers to Big Questions by Stephen Hawking. That is a bit scientific, but he says that it is his autobiography and biography. And
A few moments later.
yes, there's this rare book, The Spirit to Serve by J.W. Marriott. That book is a gem. That book is a rare gem. And if you find that book on Flipkart, do not miss out. That is totally worth it for your business, for your professional life, and for your personal life. Then there are so many women empowering books. Girl Wash Your Face, awesome. I'm reading that book right now. Then Nice Girls Don't Get the Corner Office. I have not read that book fully. Actually, that book has a test that you can take, and then the test will tell you which is the area you should focus more on. So you can, definitely buy that book. That is really awesome. Then we have You're a Badass, which is really inspiring and motivating book. Then we have Lady You're the Boss. That is also very inspiring and motivating book, and review for that book is coming up on Instagram. So yes, these are the books, and there are so many books. I have compiled a list of it, and you can access to that list with the link in description. And there is my friend Muskan, and her Instagram username is The Quirky Reader. She has suggested us a list of fantasy books, so you can check all the books, because fantasy is not my genre. So you can check that fantasy books from that link as well. Now let's move on to what books I am gonna look out for, which is, there are not so many books, but yes, these are the books I'm going to look out for. But I'm going to buy books other than this list as well, because I know myself. So the books are like Atomic Habits. I have not read that book, but I want to, because I have read the snippet from that book on the script. So then after reading Autobiography of a Yogi, I want to explore more spiritual books. And so the books are Aghora. That book is in 3 parts. Then the Teachings of Ramana Maharshi, and there are few books which are really small but classics, which are Meditation, Siddhartha, As a Man Think. Then A New Earth, that book is in my list. And also Death by Sadhguru, Think Like a Monk, Order of Time, Ramchandra series. And I need your guys' suggestion. Like, I want to read Murakami and Sudhamurti. So if you have read them, then please suggest me some books so that I can, add them to my cart, because I really want to read these 2 authors, and some other books on healing if I found them. So yes, these were the mileage. These are the list. These are the books that you can buy undoubtedly, and I don't think that you're gonna regret reading them. So now the final thing that you need to know before you buy any book from any online store, and especially from Flipkart, because a lot of sellers are there who give pirated books, and that is not right, and how to identify them. So the first thing is, whenever you are buying books from Flipkart, check the rating of the seller of the book. Check the reviews, because if the book is pirated, someone must have reviewed it, someone must have post the photos of that book. So do not forget to check out the seller rating, because if it is below 3 or 3.5, then it's not worth it, I guess. And also the like that brings me to second point, that check all the sellers. Like if there is this book, Get Better and Getting Better, one seller is giving it at 100 rupees, you can check out more sellers. Maybe somebody else is giving it at 60 rupees or 80 rupees, or someone is giving it at 150 rupees. You should check out all the sellers list, and then you should think that which one, from which seller we should buy. And yes, the third tip is, I have written it all down so that I don't miss any single point. The third tip is, if you're buying from Flipkart, then if you're so uncomfortable, like if you're not sure if you get the pirated books or not, then only buy from Flipkart assured sellers. That way you will have your peace of mind, and anyway you won't get any pirated book. Then go for specific genres. Yes, this is the pro tip. When you go into that book tab, you get so many books from every single genre. You get top selling books, you get top liked book, top rated books. But when you go for specific genres, you get the best selling books of that genres. Like I want to read more about wellness, so I'll go into wellness and I'll see the top selling books there. And in this way, like last year I did this thing and I got best deals in the top books, and maybe this is the trick there. So do try it. And the last thing is, what I did last year, I bought the books in two slots. For first slot bought on the first day, and then on the third day. And like when I bought it second time, Flipkart charged me for the delivery. So if you have decided that you want to buy this much books, buy them together, so that you will get high discount when you buy them together. And the last thing that I want to say is, do your own research while you're buying, because that is important. If you just buy the book and it turns out to be pirated, it turns out to be not right for you, then it is not right. Do your own research, find your book, find the proper seller, and if you're confused, you can ask other people, like, do you think it's authentic? Sometimes gut feeling work, like not sometimes, all the time. So do this thing. And I have got Flipkart Plus membership this year, so I got access to the sale beforehand, and I'm gonna put up so many stories, like all the best offers, all the best deals, if they are good, if they are not good, like if they are like if they are like last year, if they are not like last year. I'm gonna post everything on the Instagram, so do not forget to check my stories on the day of the sale. So yes, that's it. I'm really excited for the Flipkart sale. And for Amazon, if you have this question, I haven't bought much from Amazon, and last year I bought only from Flipkart because the books were really cheap, and on Amazon it was not. So yes, this is it for today. I will see you in the next video, and if you have any queries related to these books, or related to anything that I have said today, or anything that is related to buying books or not buying books, or reading books or not reading books, you can DM me on Instagram, or you can comment down below. And if you like my channel, then do support me. It would mean a lot to me, and I'm just so excited to shop. So I'll see you guys next time. Happy reading. Bye bye.